So I also got the adapter on my 6.5, my Creedmoor, so it'll fit right on there too. So it's a multi-purpose.
Man, bro, you
It
need to
did.
just take, man, say that
I
mother.
haven't I haven't tried it on the 6.5 yet. I just haven't had the time because
Yeah,
two
man, but
jobs, studying.
man, you just screw it on.
Yeah,
Damn, so everything
yeah,
you just get it ready about you good.
yeah.
Coming at this.
Man, and that I
Man,
haven't done
I
nothing
like
with
that, bro.
too much, but that shadow system, I finally got the comp put on there. I got that 507 that my guy
I
sent me.
saw that. I saw that, bro.
Yeah,
No cap.
I
I was
can't
like,
wait to
ooh,
get out. I can't wait to get out and break that thing in because I got like a 200 round break in period. So it's a 2 to 500. So I just got to get out and put it to work.
man, I already know you gonna put it to use, man. That shadow since I saw it, I said, oh, I already know what that is. Damn.
Yes,
I was trying, back in the day, I want to get that long wolf.
yeah. The lone wolves were nice too,
I like how
but you
they
got that
three.
fusion though.
Yeah, the cuss in the front of
Hmm.
that mud. I'm like, ooh,
Love that
damn.
thing. Love it. And they got all kinds of different grips. You want the red ones, you want the black ones, you want the orange ones,
Yeah,
whatever.
bro, it's going down. You hear me? I ain't
I
playing no games. That's why when I saw it, I was like, man,
I laugh because everybody's like, "Oh, here's the fusion." I'm like, "You already had it."
oh man, yeah, bro. That's why I was trying to tell me. I'm like, man, yeah, I done got some shit that y'all just ain't seen yet. Going to the motherfucker to trick it out, make it look like, what is that, bar? They be like,
Hmm.
oh man, you gotta just wait to the biggest other gun guys get
You
it. Then they be like,
you were the first one I seen with it.
yeah, but that's why I'm trying to tell people, man. And then our big bro got the pro and fucked
Hmm.
everybody in. I'm like, man, they got a other one. Man, say they got a nut now too, man. I'm like, wow.
Yeah, and
Yeah, man.
two A
I
got
ain't,
that optic from them too. That BAW, that big ass
oh,
window.
yeah, that's when he
Man.
did short on. I saw that he kept on
Hmm.
big. Talking about
Oh yeah,
off the power. Damn, okay, boys, my bad. Hold on, I'll be
yeah.
right back.
Uh,
Got you, bro. Rock on.
hey, how you doing?
Yeah.
Just come down to the shop. I need to go do some more cleaning and stuff too, but I'll save that for tomorrow. I did pass one more test tonight. I still got three more to go. Hopefully, I can get that done by Sunday. My day was good. How was your day, AA? I thought you was having a good day this morning. Like a nice day, at least outside. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, still got a little bit more. I was hoping to get more done tonight. Actually, tonight was supposed to be my off night, but I'm trying to get that stuff knocked out so I can get in there.
Yeah, man. We the best. That's
Yeah,
why I was like, man, my boy doing good. I told you, man, say, bro, just drop that shit. I'm telling you, man. They gonna go do
yeah.
numbers, man. People watch anything, man.
You know what? They haven't been doing
You do
anything
reload
lately,
too?
though. No, that's just my drill press.
Oh, I'm finna say, damn, you be doing reload too?
No, soldering iron for my stippling.
Welding, welding,
Just
okay.
just for my stippling job on that. I've been on the Glock, and then I did my PSA.
Oh, okay, yeah. Your grips, okay. You do your own stitching on it. Okay, that what's up.
Yeah, yeah. Then it's just drill press for whatever we need to drill press.
Oh man, that's what's up, man. Shit, that's
Maybe.
your man cave right there. That's your man cave.
Yeah, yeah. It's my little workshop. We got uh, I put up that wall, and then I had to put up lights. I need to get a couple more, but you know, do what you
Yeah,
can when you got
what's
time.
up, man? Yeah, man. You ain't got no gotta hook up that man cave bars. Represent.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We the best. Cheers.